This is an AviSynth script. It looks like text, but it's a powerful video editing script that frame serves video to other apps. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's edit the script. I always keep an advanced utility on hand for AVS files that resist standard opening. I'll introduce you to this master key later in the guide. An AVS file is a script used by AviSynth, a powerful video post-production tool. These scripts contain instructions for video editing, filtering, and processing. Winamp, a popular media player, can also utilize AVS files for visualization plugins, enhancing the audio experience with dynamic visual effects. AVS files are plain text and can be created and edited with any text editor. AVS scripts use a simple line-based syntax. Each line typically represents a function call or a variable assignment. AviSynth provides a wide range of built-in functions for tasks like resizing, color correction, and noise reduction. Winamp uses AVS files to define the behavior of visualization plugins, allowing for custom visual effects synchronized with the music. Most installations default to associating AviSynth from AviSynth team with AVS. The file's non-standard data blocks prevent Windows from viewing the internal content. Windows generally plays them with compatible media players as long as the format is supported. We're performing an initial software compatibility check. Right-click your AVS file and choose Open With. Test AviSynth first. If it's not there, select another program. This process often yields a quick solution. When your AVS file does not open, it is usually a small issue. Since the application couldn't handle the AVS file, we shift focus. I want you to perform these 3 essential recovery steps immediately. First, use AvsPmod. Open the file in AvsPmod or a text editor to view the video processing script commands used for editing and filtering video. Next, load in VirtualDub. Drag the AVS file into VirtualDub or a compatible media player to run the script and see the resulting video output. Finally, install AviSynth. Ensure you have the AviSynth core engine installed on your PC, or other programs will not be able to open or read the script. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.